Good afternoon. My name is Larry Kaufmann. I'm with Bucher Municipal, and I work with the sewer cleaning equipment. If you'd like a unit that will give you a green aspect in the business world, if you like a unit that can give you 100 to maybe 300% more productivity, and if you'd like to save 2 million gallons or more a year, I've got the truck for you. The Bucher 315 will be your next best friend. On productivity, a typical sewer truck, 12-yard debris body, 1,500 gallons of water, will give you about 50 to an hour and a half worth of jetting on a typical 8-hour day. With the Bucher 315, you don't have to stop for water. You don't have to dump your debris body all day long. So your productivity goes from possibly an hour and a half to 4 or 5, possibly even 6 hours of jetting. Every day, day in and day out. So we have developed, and one of the first ones on the planet, to develop a CNG-fueled recycler. Now what that's going to mean for you as an end user is it's going to mean less emissions, less carbon footprint, which is very, very important in today's world. We don't want to pollute our planet any more than we have to, and the Bucher CNG 315 will give you less of a carbon footprint moving forward than any sewer cleaning equipment on the planet.